What's up guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to another video. When purchasing your Tesla, there are some things that are must-haves in order to optimize your experience. So in today's video, I'm just going to share with you very briefly some of the accessories that I purchased after purchasing my Tesla Model Y 2022. And before we get started, just want to give a special shout out to our comment winner from the last video. So congratulations, you are our comment winner, and I will be reaching out to you very soon in order to get that Amazon gift card your way. And if you are watching the video right now and you're looking to win a free Amazon gift card, keep watching this video to the very end because I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do in order to enter for a chance to win a free Amazon gift card. So the first accessory that I feel that it is a must whenever you purchase a Tesla is a screen protector. So whenever purchasing your Tesla, one thing that you have to be cognizant of is that the screen is like the brain of the car. You don't want anything to happen to the screen because you could be out thousands of dollars to get it fixed. I know a lot of people say, well, I'm a careful person. Nothing is going to happen to the screen. But just say if you were moving something chipped the screen, and now you're going to have to get that fixed. But however, my main reason is not only because I have kids, it's because of the fingerprints. There are so many fingerprints that this screen will track. And before I put on this matted finish, and the reason that I love the matted finish is because you see really no glare. I know you might see a little there and there, but that's what you call reflection. However, whenever the sun hits it, there's really no glare and you don't really see as many fingerprints. Before I put on the screen protector, there was like fingerprints all over the screen, and I believe I paid less than 20 bucks for this matted screen protector on Amazon, and I'm also going to leave a link down below where you can find the screen protector. And I see right here there's already a little chip, but the great thing is that's a chip on the screen protector and not the screen itself. So I'm not sure exactly what hit the screen, but I'm so glad I had a screen protector on there. So if anything, I would just have to replace like a 20 to 30 buck screen protector versus ditching out like $1,000 or more to replace the entire screen. So the second thing that I purchased for the Tesla was a center console organizer. So I really think that a center console organizer is important in this car because the center console is so deep. And I can only imagine after you put a receipt there, you throw something in, now you're going to have to dig around for stuff just to find it. Now, I found this center console organizer on Amazon again, and I will link it down below. And you just slide it right in and it just slides back and forth and it fits great. Surprisingly, that Tesla doesn't include a center console organizer. So just say I have a key here from work, I can put my charger whenever I go to the other stations, the converter, I can put it down there. Like my girls, they love going to Chuck E. Cheese, and I can just put things in there, and now things are just more organized. So I really feel like that is a must as well. And the third accessory that I wanted to share with you today, I feel that is so important, and those would be all-weather floor mats. The all-weather floor mats are great because you can see right here that it has ridges so it can catch water, dirt, grass, dust, sand, whatever. So it pretty much will trap the dirt in the floor mat, and it's easier for you to rinse it off if you need to wash it whenever you are cleaning the floor mats. It really helps out having the all-weather floor mat, because when you do receive your Tesla, you receive these stock floor mats. They are very flimsy, they feel very cheap, and you pretty much are getting not what you paid for. Because if you're paying $60,000 for a car, you think that you will have quality floor mats. But the all-weather floor mats, as you can see right here, they fit snug. Dirt cannot get up under them. So looking at the back seat, you can see that the all-weather floor mats, it still continues with the ridges here. It traps the dust and dirt. And again, this will be linked down below, and it is one continuous piece, and the driver's side as well. It even has the footrest all the way up, so you can rest your foot there and be rest assured that dust and dirt is not going into the carpet and staying in the car. So I am a big fan of the all-weather floor mats. Next, I want to just show you, this was actually a gift from Jessie, my daughter. It is a pillow and it goes very well. In Tesla, they're known for having comfortable seats already, but if you're just going to get a pillow like this when you drive or for your passengers, a pillow like this, it really will add to the experience and it will contribute to a comfortable ride as you are driving around in your Tesla. Now, you do know I have kids, and I really think that this is a necessity as well, especially that I have kids. And this accessory is on the back of the seat here, and it is a trash can. All of these will be linked below. And this little trash can here, you can see that the girls already have like paper. It's not big. You can't put like a whole Burger King or Chick-fil-A bag down in there, but it's like for little snacks and things like that. And it comes with a little light, and the bag is not in there right now, but it comes with a lot of trash bags that you can install right in here. And it has a magnet and it just clips in, and it even has like the Tesla Model Y written on it there. If you have the 3 or the X or the S, you can get a custom made one as well to reflect the car that you are currently driving. I would be remiss if I did not show you the mud flaps that I purchased for the car. I did get these mud flaps off of Amazon, but you can get them on the Tesla's website as well. Because one thing that I cannot stand, especially before I got a Tesla, is when people drive around with a dirty Tesla. So the mud flaps are to help keep the dirt from going back on the car. So I'm just going to show you that real quick. And again, sorry for all of the wind and the noise. It's a windy day here in Georgia. So as you can see here, that the mud flaps, they just attach on the car right behind the tire on each one. And that was pretty much it. It was a very easy and quick install. And as you can see right here, there are screws there already, so there was no additional drilling needed. And the next accessory that I want to share with you is going to be these performance pedals that I purchased from Top Fit. Now, I'm not perpetrating, I'm not pretending that I have the performance model. This is the Model Y long range. However, I love the feel and I love the look of these. And they were fairly easy to put on. You have to take your time, and the brake pedal literally just goes right over. You have to take the old one off, but the accelerator pedal, on the other hand, it fits over the existing pedal that already comes with Tesla. So with the performance pedals, I do love the look of it. I love the feel of it. And as I'm driving my Tesla, I feel quality under my feet. And that's something that everyone should experience when driving their Tesla. So when it comes to charging, I did go back and order on the Tesla's website the NEMA 1450 adapter, and also had an electrician to come in and wada bing, there we go. And that only cost about $450, parts, installation, and everything. And the adapter, I got it on the Tesla's website. I think it was about 40 bucks. So in order to enter for a chance to win the free Amazon gift card, listen up, this is what I need for you to do. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, share this video with someone who you believe that will benefit from this content, and most importantly, leave a comment down below, because it is the comment winner. Thank you so much, and hopefully that some of these accessories will give you an idea if you're purchasing a Tesla, if you already purchased a Tesla, and you're just looking for some more things that you can add to your car in order to maximize your experience with your Tesla. So all of the accessories that were mentioned in this video today, you can find linked down below. Check out more videos here on your screen about your finances and your Tesla, and I will see you in the next video.